Today class is email configuration or SCOT configuration. This email configuration or email service is a mandatory or necessary service at SAP for any business. Assume, take any business like ICICI Bank or IRCTC Red Bus. These kind of businesses. So when you book a ticket, when you cancel a ticket, automatically you will get email, right, into your inbox. Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is sending this email? Who is sending this email?
Server.
Auto-generate mail.
It's auto-generated, system-generated email. How the system or server can able to send an email means using this SCOT, using this email configuration at server level. If email configuration is not there, not configured, or there is an issue with this SCOT, that automated emails, no one will get that automated emails. No one will get any email from the server. That respective server, that respective business. That is the impact of the SCOT. That is the requirement of the SCOT. Okay. So what I want to say, the SCOT should be configured in SAP's server level to avail this email service. How to configure this SCOT? What are the takeaways we have with respect to the SCOT? Please make a note. Everyone go to mute, please. Okay. The transactions are SCOT itself a transaction. I will mention /n SCOT. This transaction used to configure the SCOT or email. To configure SCOT or email. SYST. SY, please make a note. Outbox or sent items. Sent items means successful emails. Successfully sent emails. Or outbox. Outbox means failed one and pending one you can see at the outbox. Failed one and stuck like a waiting or failed one you can see in outbox in our terminals. So in the SYST transaction, successful and failed and waiting emails we can see. SY00 is the transaction to create a new email. These are the three transactions we have with respect to the SCOT. While configuration, we have some work with. What is this? What is this? SM37. To check a BTC job. To monitor a BTC job. Yeah. What is this transactions?
Dynamic and static.
Parameter.
Yeah, parameter administration. The same way. SMACM. Port administration. Port administration. Port administration. SMACM. So these are the transactions are required for the SCOT configuration. Okay. SCOT configuration is very easy, but you need to know what details are required to configure the SCOT. Okay. Like just let's go to the SC transaction once, then we easily understand